All right, take one. Not really. On the boat again. I just can't wait to get on the boat again. Life I love is drinking cold beer with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the boat again. On the boat again. We're leaving Lansing with a bunch of balding men. CPAPs, Ozempic, penis jokes until the end. And I can't wait to get on the boat again. On the boat again. Some barachos were just floating down the river. We're the best of friends. Crazy Ivans, Trisex gummies we deliver. Testing our livers. On the boat again. Playing Texas Hold'em, folding 9s and 10s. Last time John Boyle folded was way back in God knows when. And I can't wait to get on the boat again. This is the solo. Maybe Ben, Jeff, Ryan. On the boat again. Like some geriatric pirates, but we're able. We're the best of friends. Missing Joe and Dave in time whose chips were stable. Under the table, on the boat again. Repeating stories like it's always been. Young Sam likes those big titties, sneaking home with just his friends. And Chuck won't take no check ever again. And Chuck won't take no check ever again.